Hotel Riu Ocho Rios is a classic Caribbean all-inclusive, where most of what you'll need is already built into the price. All meals and drinks are covered, including buffet and a la carte dining, 6 bars, and stocked in-room minibars. Water activities like snorkeling, kayaking, sailing, and windsurfing are also included, along with access to the resort's water park, 5 pools, and daily entertainment. Gratuities and taxes are prepaid, so you won't need to tip for every drink or activity, unless you want to. Spa treatments and motorized watercraft aren't included. Massages start at around $130, and jet ski rentals average about $90. Apart from those extras, the package is designed so you can enjoy the beach, pools, and activities without constantly reaching for your wallet. I'll provide you with the exact room prices in just a moment, but if you do want to book, then you can save a massive 48% for a limited time only via my special discount links below, where you can also read reviews from previous guests, including negative ones. The resort sits on a private stretch of Mammy Bay, just outside downtown Ocho Rios. It's about a 6-minute drive to Dunn's River Falls, and only a few minutes more to Dolphin Cove, Jamaica, and Mystic Mountain, 3 of the area's biggest attractions. This makes it easy to combine a beach holiday with off-property adventures. From Ian Fleming International Airport, the transfer takes around 30 minutes, while day trips to nearby waterfalls and beaches can be arranged directly from the lobby. The property's location on a quieter stretch of coastline means you get ocean views and direct beach access without the heavy foot traffic of central Ocho Rios, but you're still close enough to reach restaurants, shops, and nightlife in under 15 minutes by car. The resort offers free self-parking, and taxis are easy to arrange on site, making it a practical base whether you plan to explore or stay put. The most affordable way to stay at Hotel Riu Ocho Rios is the Junior Suite Garden View, which typically works out to around $77 per person, per night, when shared by 2 guests, if you book through my discount link below. These rooms include either 2 double beds or a king, a private balcony, and easy access to the resort's main pool area, ideal for travelers who want the full all-inclusive experience at the lowest entry price. For couples or anyone wanting more scenery, the double-room ocean view is a popular mid-range choice. It comes in at roughly $82 per person, per night, and offers clear views of the Caribbean Sea. The room layout is similar, but places you closer to the beach, which makes sunrise and sunset views a daily highlight without a huge price jump. Families or groups needing more space can look at the family room 2-bedroom option. At about $67 per person, per night based on 6 guests, it gives you a separate sleeping area and a more relaxed setup for longer stays. All categories include the same all-inclusive benefits, so the main difference comes down to space and views rather than perks. Amenities at Hotel Riu Ocho Rios are designed to make the property feel like a full resort hub rather than just a place to sleep. The spa is a standout feature, offering body wraps, facials, and aromatherapy in both indoor and outdoor treatment rooms. There's also a modern fitness center with dedicated spaces for group workouts, plus tennis courts and beach volleyball for guests who prefer active downtime. Families will find plenty of practical touches, including a supervised kids club, a children's pool with slides, and shaded play areas throughout the property. Wedding services are available on-site, with beachfront ceremony setups and a small event space for receptions or private dinners. The resort also has a gift shop, salon, concierge desk, and luggage storage, making it easy to plan excursions or relax between activities. Its Art Deco-style buildings and tropical landscaping give the property a more polished look than many nearby mid-range resorts, helping it feel a bit more upscale without pushing the price point into luxury territory. Entertainment at Hotel Riu Ocho Rios is designed to keep the energy going well beyond the pool and beach. The resort has a full schedule of evening shows, themed parties, and live music, all staged in open-air spaces that make the most of its tropical setting. Nightly performances range from Caribbean dance and steel drum bands to more interactive events, so there's usually something happening after sunset. For guests who want a livelier atmosphere, there's an on-site nightclub with no cover charge and a good mix of international and local music. The vibe tends to be casual and upbeat rather than over the top, making it easy for solo travelers, couples, or groups to join in. During the day, activity staff organize beach games and competitions to keep things social without feeling forced, and guests can also join dance or fitness classes. The mix of structured events and relaxed options gives the resort a steady buzz throughout the day and night without making it feel overcrowded. Dining at Hotel Riu Ocho Rios leans heavily into variety, with a strong balance between casual buffet service and themed a la carte options. The main buffet serves international staples alongside freshly grilled meats and seafood, with a noticeable focus on local Jamaican flavors. Think jerk chicken, plantains, and tropical fruits that change with the season. For something more elevated, the Italian restaurant is a guest favorite for its pasta and seafood dishes, while the Asian spot offers a mix of stir-fries and sushi-style starters. There's also a more formal a la carte venue where reservations are recommended during busier periods, making it a good pick for date nights or special occasions. Snack stations and poolside service run throughout the day, so you never have to plan meals around a strict schedule. What stands out most in guest reviews is the freshness of the buffet and the speed of service. Meals tend to be efficient without losing quality, which makes it easy to enjoy the food without cutting into beach or excursion time. In terms of considerations, the property is large and fairly spread out, so if you're traveling with young children or anyone who struggles with mobility, it's worth requesting a room closer to the central amenities. Elevators are available, but some buildings require short walks to reach restaurants or the beach. Rooms facing the pools or entertainment stages tend to pick up evening music, which can run late during peak season. If quiet nights are a priority, garden view or side wing rooms are usually better picks. And while basic activities and dining are included, spa treatments, motorized water sports, and airport transfers are extra costs. Planning for those in advance will give you a more realistic idea of the total trip price and help avoid surprises once you're on the ground. Hotel Riu Ocho Rios ranks well for value compared to other mid-range resorts on Jamaica's north coast. Many properties in this range offer either a good location or solid facilities, not both. Here, you get a beachfront setting close to major attractions, backed by consistent service standards. Because it's near Ocho Rios, guests often spend less on transportation and excursions than they would at more remote resorts. The property's scale and reliable operations give it an edge over similarly priced competitors, making it one of the stronger value picks in its category for this region. Hotel Riu Ocho Rios is best suited to travelers who want a full resort environment with a lively atmosphere and plenty of options on site. Families benefit from its dedicated kids areas and ease of movement around the property, while couples can enjoy the beach setting, entertainment, and accessible excursions without needing to leave the area for much else. The combination of location, scale, and dependable service appeals to travelers who prefer an upbeat, all-in-one setting over a quiet boutique hotel. Lock in your 48% discount via my booking link below before it's gone.